How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I'm working on the box trailer. We're going to be putting a air conditioner in the box trailer here. Now, I'm building this framework for those of you who are out there and have a box trailer and do not have a hole in the ceiling for a vent or an air conditioner. I'm going to show you how I'm doing mine. Maybe that'll help you out when you're doing yours. Let's get started. So as you can see, we're starting from scratch. This box trailer has no insulation in it, no framework, just the rafters that are holding up the ceiling. And in order for me to put an air conditioner or a vent in here, you have to have some type of a box to mount them in. So I went ahead and cut some steel for this so I can build my box. I'm going to build my box 14 1/4. We're going to find our center. We're going to weld our framework together and get it all welded into here in place. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, this is our framework. And what we want here is we have a main beam that's going to go through here. So from the bottom of this up to this beam over here needs to be 14 1/4. We want that to be right on the money at 14 1/4. Same way with this side, 14 1/4. 14 1/4 there. And 14 1/4 here. And we can go ahead and weld this together. So now that we got it all tacked together, all we have to do is make sure we have 14 1/4, 14 1/4, 14 1/4, and 14 1/4. Then we can go ahead and weld this together. Now we're going to be using the Best Arc welder. You guys remember that when we did the flatbed trailer. We used this welder. This is one we're going to use. It's very light. I can move it around in the shop. It's a good welder. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing welded into place and get our hole cut out. Alright, we got our little box welded in here. The only thing we got left to do is cut out our hole for where our air conditioner is going to go. Now, if you want to put a fan in here, this would be the same hole for a fan or an air conditioner. I got this about 14 1/4 by 14 1/4. We're going to go ahead and drill through the ceiling. Now, this is the scary part, I guess. Nobody wants to drill through their ceiling. Yeah, nobody likes that part there. But if you want either a fan or an air conditioner, you got to do it. So go ahead and mark the top of your roof where them holes come up through. And get ready to cut. So this is where our hole's going to be in our roof. We'll get a jigsaw and we'll start cutting this out. Okay, when I cut this, I'm not sure what it's going to do with that camera. It might do some vibrating, make some weird sounds or whatever, but I got to do my best to get this thing cut. I'm the only one here. Now you might have to trim up your edge a little bit. Well, no turning back now. We got a hole cut, that's for sure. Alright, that's how we cut the hole in the roof of our box trailer. One thing you want to avoid when you're doing this is avoid putting your vent hole right on a seam. If you get on that seam, it's whatever you put in there, whether it be a fan or an air conditioner, it may not lay in there level. So yeah, I wasn't too hard, a little scary, but don't be scared. You can do it. Just take your time and make sure you measure and get that all centered up in the top of your roof. Now, an air conditioner or a vent does not have to be right directly in the center of your roof. It can be off to one side if you want. It's totally up to you where you want to mount your vent or your air conditioner. Now, in the next video that I post, we're going to be putting an air conditioner in this box trailer. It's called a Countrymod rooftop parking air conditioner. And the really cool thing about this air conditioner is this is a 12-volt air conditioner. It's not 110, not 220. It is 12 volt. Now, you can get them in two versions. You can get them in a 12 volt or you can get them in a 24 volt. And they're supposed to use very little electricity. The wattage is really low on them, and they're supposed to do a really great job. So we're going to be mounting one in this box trailer, and I'd like to see you guys come along and watch us get it mounted up. So we'll leave a link in the description down below for the 12-volt air conditioner. If you're wanting air conditioned off-grid, this might be the way to go. So I would like to tell everyone thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.